you how to draw a puppy. So let's get started. First I'm gonna draw his eyes. I'm gonna make this oval shape, almost like a circle, but actually it's an oval shape. And then a tiny circle in the middle. Highlight the sparkle. Let's draw a semicircle over here. Another eye. Try to make it about the same size and the same shape as the other one. Try to do this just the same. The circle for the left eye. Okay. Eyebrows. Cute little eyebrows, simple ones like this. And now we're gonna do his cheeks like this. The other cheek as well. Start by this side over here. The nose. Very simple one, and you can fill it in just about any time. The end or right now. I'm gonna do it right now to show you just how easy and fun it is to do this. Starting to take shape. Now let's draw his smile in 2 strokes, like semicircle, semicircle, cap it off with like a smiley, a sad smiley shape. Now I'm gonna outline his face like this. Try to make it as even as possible. Try to let the same amount of space on this side as well as the other side. We're gonna imagine his ears like some rectangles. So we're gonna start like here, like this, in a rectangle shape, almost in a rectangle. So you imagine one and then you draw it like this. There you go. The other one as well, like this. Feel free to pause the video to just finish up the drawing as well. Okay. Now draw his cheek. Very simple, like that. A color to show that he belongs to someone, he's very loved by somebody. We're gonna outline his back like this, his bottom. Wiggly tail, very easy like this. We're gonna draw his right leg like this. His paw, his right paw, like little tiny feet to line up. And for his chest, I'm gonna draw a heart shape, a half of a heart like this. Look at that, it's so easy. So the other leg is gonna be over here. Hope you can see it, like this. The little cute tiny paw, finish it up over here, and you can see the other paw over here. Just gonna outline it like this over here, and we're gonna draw his leg that's showing over here like this. So he's standing on his back feet. Like this. I made a little bit of a mistake over here, but you can just do like this. I'm gonna outline it anyway with a darker shade, so I'm gonna fill this one all in like this. And here you go. Feel free to outline it the way you want. I really like to outline it with a darker shade to just make it stand out. What a cute little puppy. outlining it. Like this. Real quick. All around his body. So I hope you really like this little tutorial. He's very cute, look at him. And I really hope that you love this cute drawing of this puppy that I've drawn for you. It's very easy to draw. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss my new drawing videos. See you soon!